Until you get a standing desk, you won't realize the importance to your health that something like this will have, unless you're standing in my shoes. This is the OdinLake Standing Desk, and I think it has been the best addition to my office in 2024. Since the pandemic, this right here has been my primary office, and previously I had an autonomous desk that hasn't really stood the test of time. It's been 4 years since getting that desk, and chips and scratches around the desk have been getting worse and worse. Yes, it's wear and tear over time, but just within a week of getting that previous desk, I was seeing red flags of wear and tear when the paint was chipping all of a sudden and it was pretty easy to scratch. So fast forward to 2024 and I think it's time to find a new full-time office desk. OdinLake actually reached out to me after probably seeing my sorry beaten setup and wanted to see if their desk would be worthy of replacing this. The good folks over at OdinLake already know that I'm not one to mince my words and everything I deliver are my opinions only, whether good or bad. So I really appreciate them reiterating that this is something they're genuinely excited about and want to deliver the best customer experience. Cue the OdinLake S450, a standing desk that is absolutely a breath of fresh air compared to what I've been used to. I've been using it for about a month now, and I have to say the quality is unmatched. And although it's fairly simple, it does a fantastic job and is super quiet and solid. But let's talk about the unboxing process and setting it up first before we dive into the details. The desk was well packed and there was enough cardboard to protect it from any damage during shipping. This is probably the easiest desk to set up as everything you need is included and took only 15 minutes to unpack and set up. The instructions are very easy to understand, but one thing I would recommend is using a drill to screw things in. It makes things a lot faster. The instructions call for 2 people to set it up, but I was completely fine setting it up by myself, so don't let that deter you. I got the 60-inch by 30-inch version of the desk, the company's biggest offering. You can get other sizes smaller than this, but man, oh man, trust me, the space this desk provides is incredible. The wood finish and white legs just look so modern and aesthetically pleasing in my office setup, and just overall feels premium. The heavy-duty steel construction of the frame is solid, and I don't notice any wobble in the frame. It has a max load bearing of 275 pounds, which is great. As you can see, I have 2 monitors set up, and I mean, the fact that I can sit on this thing without any issues should be more than enough proof this thing can handle anything you throw at it, including yourself. Yeah. Don't try that at home. To top that off, it has some pretty cool safety features like crash protection, overload protection, and overhot protection. Features I hope I never have to use. The keypad is nice and tactile, and the great part about this desk is that it offers you the option to install it on the left side or the right side based on your preference. It also illuminates and gives you 3 preset heights so that you can easily switch between them. If you want to fine-tune going up or down, the arrow buttons on the right of the keypad can do this. The motor is incredibly silent when moving up and down, and it doesn't distract you from your existing work. So under the desk is pretty minimal as well. And although minimalism is my preference, above the desk, I would like to see more desks with more storage and organizational options underneath it. A lot of the cable hiding and extra organization was done by myself. You can see I've attached everything for cable organization, including my dock, some drawers I got off Amazon, and even power options. Now everything that I have in this video will be linked in the description down below. There are affiliate links for you there, so you can organize your desk in a similar fashion. So what sets this desk apart from the rest? Well, for starters, this desk is solid and everything about the frame and tabletop screams premium. But here's an advantage that many people seem to overlook. OdinLake offers a 15-year warranty on their desks. If that doesn't attest to the fact that the company stands behind their products, I don't know what does. Price-wise, these aren't that expensive either. You can even see that there are always sales running, and the biggest desk they have is only $649. I've also joined their affiliate program so that I can also get you guys the best prices and discounts. So do check those out in the links down below if you're thinking of getting this desk. Just like OdinLake, I do stand behind my reviews. This is my primary desk and will be until a competitor brings something to the proverbial table, if you will. But they would have to offer maybe smart features or better under-desk organization to make it really worth my while. So keep it locked on my channel to get the latest updates on my home office. I appreciate you watching this review, and I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions about the desk, let me know in the comments down below. My name is J.I. Thank you for watching, and thank you for kicking it with me.